Good morning everyone. Today I am here to discuss with you preparation of profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Let's have a look at the statement. A and B are partners with capitals of rupees 10 lakh and rupees 8 lakh respectively. Keep on marking the important points. Capital of 8 lakh, 10 lakh and 8 lakh. A is to be allowed a monthly salary. How much salary is to be given to A? Monthly salary is 6,000. So, yearly salary will be 72,000. And for B, already they have given per annum. That means annual salary. A will be allowed a commission of 5% of net profits after charging partner salaries. A will be given commission, but on which net profits? That will come after deducting partner salaries. 5% of that net profit will be given to A as commission. Interest on capital is to be charged at the rate 6% per annum. Already know the formula for calculating interest on capital. Interest on drawings, it is to be calculated at the rate 5% per annum. Further, these 2 points are given. A has introduced a capital of rupees 2 lakh on 1st October 2018. Their drawings were A rupees 10,000 and B rupees 20,000. This already I have told you, when date of drawing is not given and along with rate but is given per annum, so interest on drawings will be calculated on an average basis for 6 months. And last point, net profit after charging A salaries, rupees 5,28,000. And while preparing P&L appropriation account, we require net profit not after but before any appropriation. Before any appropriation. Now we will make a summary of this statement. Then first we will discuss preparation of P&L appropriation account. Afterwards we will proceed with preparation of partners capital account. Then in the same question we will discuss how to prepare capital and current account both if the firm follows fixed capital method. Just have a look at the board. Read the statement thoroughly. Let's make a summary of all these points and do all the calculations. Now, what is given? What is given? A and B. Just write down here A and B. Capitals are given to be 10 lakh and 8 lakh. 10 lakh and B's capital 8 lakh. And balances are given on 1st April 2018. Then salary for A we have calculated 6,000 per month. It means it will be 72,000 for the year. And for B they have given 80,000 per annum. Now the third point, commission to A. Commission to A. It is percentage is given to be 5% of net profits minus salaries. They have given 5% of net profits after charging salaries. Interest on capital. Interest on capital, it is given 6% per annum. And interest on drawings, it is given, let us write in next line, interest on drawings 5% per annum. And additional capital by A. Additional capital What is the additional capital introduced by A? 2 lakh. And he has made the addition on which date? 1st October 2018. Drawings are given. How much drawings are given in the question? 10,000. And for B it is 20,000. And last, net profit after salaries. Net profit after salaries. What is the amount given in the question? 5,28,000. This is the summary of whole of the question. These different figures are given in the question. Am I clear? Now, first point, net profit after salaries. But we need net profit before salaries. Now, salary to A 72,000 and salary to B 80,000. So, our first calculation will be, you can write on this side, net profit. What will be the amount of net profit? It will be 5,28,000 plus add salaries of both the partners, 72,000 plus 80,000. And it will be 6,80,000. First point, you need to calculate net profit before any appropriations. And this is how you can calculate. Now, come to the second point. Salary already we have calculated. Commission to A, 5% of net profits minus salaries. That means commission to A. Already we know what is the net profit after salaries, or you can calculate 6,80,000 minus 72,000 minus 80,000. Or directly you can write down 5% of 5,28,000. This is commission to A. Now the next point, interest on capital. Interest on capital, all of you know how to calculate. On opening and additional it will be calculated and added, and from that if any capital is withdrawn during the year, that will be subtracted. In this question for A, opening is given as well as additional is given. So you can calculate on opening capital, it will be for the whole of the year. So how much interest on capital will be there? For A, if we calculate 10,000, 6%, it will be 60,000 plus additional capital 2 lakh, and for how many months it will be calculated? It was introduced on 1st October, so for 6 months it will be 6,000. Total interest on capital of A 66. Same way you can calculate for B. It will be 48,000. It will be 48,000. Next, interest on drawings, how much? 5% per annum. 10,000, 5%, and for how many months it will be calculated? It will be calculated for 6 months. So, what will be the interest on drawings of A? It will be 250, and for B it will be 500. You can calculate. These are the calculations that you are required to do in this question. Salary, commission to A, interest on capital, interest on drawings. Now, we will proceed with preparation of P&L appropriation account. And here you go. P&L appropriation account for the year ended, and our accounting year is 18-19, so year ending will be 31st March 2019. Be very specific about formats. it is debit, it is credit. So the first item, first you write down the items and then show the calculations by net profit. Second item on this side by interest on drawings. By interest on drawings for both the partners A as well as B. On this side 2 interest on capital A, B, then 2 salary. Again salaries are to be given to both A and B. 2 commission. Commission is to be given to A, to commission to A. And in the last what you will get? You will get distributable profits. Distributable profits that will be divided between A and B. A is capital, B is capital. If we are following fluctuating capital and in case we are following fixed capital, instead of writing A is capital and B is capital, what we will write down? We will write down A is current account and B is current account. First post the items in the format. Now we will post items one by one like net profit. That is given after charging salaries. So you will add back the salaries. How much salaries are to be given? 72,000 to A and 80,000 to B. These will be added back and your net profit for the year will be 6,80,000. This is our first point. Now the second point, interest on drawings. And drawings of A 10,000. So on drawings of A 10,000 at the rate 5%, for how many months it will be calculated? 6 months. Then it will be 250. And what about B? B's drawings 20,000. So if we calculate, it will be 500. It will be for A 250 and for B 500. Interest on capital to A, that already we have calculated. 60,000 on the opening capital and 6,000 on the additional capital. So it will be 66,000. And what about B? Interest on capital to B 8 lakh, 6%, it will be 48,000. Salaries to A, salary to A it will be 72,000 and salary to B it will be 80,000. Commission to A, that already we have calculated, it will be 26,400. Then in the last you will balance this account, and how much balance we are getting? Distributable profit 3,88,000 and if you balance it will be 350. 3,88,350. And TSR is not given in the question, profit sharing ratio, then it will be assumed to be equal. So you divide the profits equally between A and B. This is how you can solve this question. How to prepare P&L appropriation account. Am I clear to all of you? First, you will write down net profit, then interest on drawings as per the calculations done by you. Then on the debit side, first item will be interest on capital, second item will be salaries, third item commission to A, and the last item will be balance the account, and balance will be balancing figure 3,88,350, and that you will divide between A and B in their profit sharing ratio. Now we will discuss how to prepare partners capital account. First method that we will use, fluctuating capital. Under fluctuating capital, every partner, he has only one account and it is known as capital account. So let's start with it. Partners capital account. How many partners we are having? 2. So for both of them, A, B, and it will be A, B. A, B, on this side also A, B. Then what we will write on the credit side, we will write the opening balance. That depends if you are having credit balance or you are having debit balance. In the question, credit balance is given. So you will write down opening balance, buy balance, brought down. Already given in the question, 10 lakh. And about B, it is 5 lakh. First write down opening balance, and on the debit side, drawings are given in the question. Write down the drawings. Otherwise, you will forget to post the amount of drawings in the capital account. Drawings are for A, drawings 10,000 and for B, 20,000. Then next, what we are required to post in partners capital account. Whatever is given in P&L appropriation account, that will be posted to partners capital account. Like partners are getting interest on capital. 66,000 A is getting and 48,000 who will get? B. By salaries. Salaries, all of you know how much amount is given in the question? 72,000 and 80,000. Next item is commission. Who is getting commission? Both are getting commission or only B is getting commission? Only B. So you will write in account of B. What commission he is getting? 26,400. Then interest on drawings. Interest on drawings for A it is 250 and for B it is 500. Then last, profit share by P&L appropriation account. How much they are getting? Each one of them is getting a profit of 1,94,175. Now one more item is there that we forgot to post by bank account. A has introduced additional capital of 2 lakh. Then you will find the total and finally you will balance this account. So you can do, you calculate total of credit side of A, it comes to be 15,32,175. Same way you can total B's account. It will be 8,48,575. Then deduct these two balances and final balances that we will get 15,21,925 for A and for B it will be 8,28,075. This is how you will prepare partners capital account under fluctuating capital. I will recommend one thing. First post all the items that will appear on this side. Opening balance, interest on capital, salaries, commission, P&L appropriation, then additional capital. Then on this side, drawing against capital, drawings, interest on drawings. Then finally, in the last, we will find the closing balances. Now we will discuss second method, fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method, every partner will have two accounts, capital account and current account. Capital account under fixed capital method, only 4 items are there. 2 on the debit side and 2 on the credit side. 2 on the debit side and 2 on the credit side. If any additional capital given in question, you will write down here by bank account, but that is not given in question. So you can leave this item. Additional capital, who has brought additional capital? Only A, so you will write down here additional capital. Has any partner withdrawn the capital during the year? No. So no capital withdrawn is there. In the last, you will balance this account and the balances will be total of this side 12 lakh, 5 lakh. On debit side, no item is there, so balancing figure will be to balance carry down. What will be the balancing figure? 12 lakh in A and 5 lakh in B. This is their closing capital. Then we will prepare partners current account. Partners current account. Again the format will be same. Now, no opening balance of current account are given in the question. So, you will write down items of P&L appropriation. What items are given? By interest on capital, by salaries, by commission, then by P&L appropriation account, profit share, on the debit side, you will write down drawings against profit. Drawings, these are given in the question. Then interest on drawings. Finally, you will balance both the sides. If this side is more, you will write on this side to balance carry down. If debit is more, balance will be written here by balance carried down. You can post the items and then can check what will be the closing balances. Like interest on capital, it is given to be A 66,000 and for B it is 48,000. Next item is salary, to A 72,000 and to B 80,000. Then profit share, how much is the profit share? 1,94,175. Same amount for B. Then write down drawings 10,000, 20,000. Interest on drawing 5%. So 250 will be charged from A and 500 will be charged from B. In the last, you will total and balance both the accounts. It comes to be 3,32,175. If you will calculate for B, it will be 3,48,575. Do the calculations carefully. Then find out the balances. Balances will be, you will write down the total on this side. And then the final balance you can calculate. That you can do by yourself. You can find out these balances and balances will be, I'm giving you 3,21,925, and for B it will be 3,28,075. This is how you can prepare partner's capital account under fixed capital method. Two accounts will be there, partner's capital account and partner's current account. This is how. That's all for today. Thank you.